loud laptop fan noise fixed. So hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your edit plan setting over here. So if you open our search bar over here and simply search edit power plan, you should be able to open this specific page over here. After that, you're simply going to click on change advanced power setting, which will show you this page that you saw earlier. And you're simply going to navigate into your processor power management. In some devices, there will be an extra option over here, which is going to allow you to modify your system cooling. So there should be a system cooling policy on some devices, but for me, as you can see, it's not available. But with that, you are able to modify how much fan speed it's going to utilize depending on whether it's plugged in or on battery. So similar to how this looks like, as you can see, you will be able to modify if you want it to have high fan speed on battery or low fan speed or high fan speed when plugged in. Another thing that you could help that is not software related is to buy your device or buy your laptop a stand over here so that there will be no difficulty in getting air intake into your laptop. Because sometimes if your laptop is just on a flat surface, the air intake could be difficult and that causes your laptop to increase its speed to cool down your device. But if you have something like this, it might help with cooling your device, allowing your laptop to not utilize their loud fan or like their highest speed. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.